Hey everyone, if you want to learn how to export PNG in Inkscape in 2026, this is the full beginner guide. I'll show you step by step how to save your design as a high quality PNG file. First, open Inkscape and make sure your design is completely finished. Check all text, colors, and shapes before exporting. Next, go to File and click Export PNG Image. This opens the export panel where you control output settings. Now choose what you want to export, like the full page, drawing, or a selected object. This helps you control exactly what gets saved. After that, adjust the resolution or DPI. Higher DPI gives better quality but also increases file size. Next, choose where you want to save your file on your computer. Pick a folder you can easily find later. Now click Export. Inkscape will instantly generate your PNG image. After that, open your exported file and check the quality. Make sure everything looks sharp and clean. Finally, if your image looks blurry, increase the DPI next time you export. This usually fixes quality issues. So yeah, that's how you export PNG in Inkscape in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can always save high-quality designs. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Inkscape tutorials for beginners.